Crumb's ready for school? Hi.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. It starts at lunchtime.
His school does?
Yeah, Crumb's school starts.
What grade is Crumb in?
He's supposed to be in 5th grade, but he's still in 1st grade.
What happened? Why is he so far behind?
Because he's been evil.
Because what?
Because he's not very smart.
He's not very smart?
No.
Crumb's not very smart?
No. Not at all. But Sasha's supposed to be in pre-K, and he's in 3rd grade. And
Wow.
He's in 1st grade. So
He's very advanced.
Yes, he is.
He's so advanced he's watching cartoons.
I know.
Hi. You're not going to smile for me again? Serious boy. You want your ball? You want your ball? You want that ball? You won't smile with the camera here because you... Whoa! What's that?